Why Jeff Bezos thinks Cardano will be huge. Hello everyone, we hope you're all healthy and having a great day today. We are your hosts Richly. Welcome back to the channel. We are back with yet another amazing video. Jeff Bezos thinks Cardano is going to be huge. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell or miss the opportunity of getting the latest news and updates in the crypto market. Stick around until the end of the video to know why Cardano is that cryptocurrency that Jeff Bezos thinks will become huge and power the future. Cardano is a third-generation blockchain, according to Hoskinson, with Bitcoin and Ethereum being the first and second-generation chains, respectively. According to stories like this one from Forbes, Hoskinson's dissatisfaction with the way Ethereum was intended to be constructed drove him to form his own movement. This is also why, in building Cardano, they chose not to build on existing networks, instead opting to build an entirely new network from the ground up. Cardano differs from other blockchain projects in that it takes a data-driven and scholarly approach to its development. Expert engineers and developers may weigh in on the network's future path because the papers detailing the concept and plans are publicly available. Interestingly, no white paper was published for Cardano. Furthermore, the platform is built on the Ouroboros blockchain, which is the first peer-reviewed proof-of-stake blockchain. Cardano is racing to the finish line of its final hard fork combinator event, Alonzo, which will enable complete smart contract functionality. As Alonzo Purple approaches its last test phase, the community has been keeping a careful watch on the newest developments. The business behind this blockchain and its development, Input Output Global, recently announced that they have filed an update request. The Cardano testnet will be able to hard fork into the Alonzo era as a result of this. The procedure has been implemented and should be completed within a day, according to IOG. This final test step for HFC Alonzo has been dubbed a significant milestone by the business. Cardano has also entered a critical stage, according to IOG, which will occur before the mainnet is split to deploy Plutus, the native smart contract platform. The last stage of the HFC event, Alonzo, will be released on September 12, 2021, according to the business. We'll be performing final inspections and testing in a controlled environment in the next few days to verify that we're ready to update the main Cardano network, as well as usher in a new age of smart contract capabilities. The next stage has been dubbed the last dress rehearsal by Dimitris Polopoulos, IOG's delivery lead. Before final implementation, all of the components, including the smart contract platform, must function for a set amount of time. Before the mainnet goes live, engineers will detect and address any bugs that arise during this time. In addition, the team will confirm the network's and other aspects' stability. Most importantly, crypto exchange platforms have been putting their setups to the test, reporting problems and difficulties, and tracking them down. As a result, when the HFC goes live, these platforms will be ready to go. Stake pool operators, pioneers, and other partners were congratulated for their extremely hard work and the fact that they are almost there now, according to the business. One of the most eagerly anticipated Cardano updates is the HFC Alonzo. In a recent video on his YouTube channel, Charles Hoskinson, the developer of Cardano and CEO of IOG, praised the community as well. Hoskinson stated that the team decided to move on with the final test stage after assessing the infrastructure and the health of the testnet. He went on to say that, unlike in the past, Alonzo had infiltrated the main testnet used for exchanges and everyone else. After the HFC infrastructure rolls over, it will remain on the testnet until September 9th, when the upgrade proposals are completed, before being launched on September 12th. Hoskinson went on to say, "Knock on wood, it'll probably be a rather uneventful rollover. That appears to be the case, and we are quite pleased with it. For the 12th, everything is on track. Today is a major turning point in the go, no-go decision. Thank you to the tens of thousands of individuals who helped us beta test and get this through." On the daily chart, ADA is currently trading at $2.85, with a profit of 12.8%. The cryptocurrency is ranked third in terms of market capitalization, just after Ethereum and Bitcoin. ADA has reacted well to the platform's smart contract upgrades and appears to be on track to continue breaking all-time highs. It produced one of the greatest comebacks in the prior day after the market witnessed some selling pressure. The next big goal is to reach $3. The Cardano Foundation is introducing a bug bounty program that pays hackers who identify flaws in the blockchain of the smart contract platform. The Cardano-focused nonprofit, located in Switzerland, announced a partnership with HackerOne, a vulnerability management business that employs hackers to disclose cybersecurity issues in a blog post. In the next months, our combined bug bounty program with the Cardano Foundation will leverage HackerOne's ethical hackers and meticulous protocols to help us guarantee that the Cardano blockchain is the most reliable and secure blockchain imaginable. Any performance issues discovered in the Cardano source that indicate a serious vulnerability or potential attack to key Cardano components will be investigated. Bug bounty programs reward ethical hackers to identify vulnerabilities and appropriately disclose them so they may be patched before they can cause severe harm. The incentives for disclosing each Cardano vulnerability, according to the program's page on HackerOne, vary from $300 to $10,000, depending on the severity of the issue. Human ethical hackers, according to the Cardano Foundation, are better at discovering weaknesses in blockchains than automatic vulnerability scanners. No company is impervious to security flaws. The only way to prevent hackers from exploiting them is to discover and repair vulnerabilities as soon as possible. By thinking imaginatively and identifying areas where flaws may be chained together to create an attack, ethical hackers can uncover vulnerabilities that automated scanners miss. According to Input-Output Hong Kong, Cardano is stress testing its network as it reaches the final critical stage of its smart contract deployment. According to IOHK, the Cardano blockchain will be formally upgraded for smart contract capabilities on September 12th. In the next days, we'll conduct final inspections and testing in a secure environment to verify that we're ready to update the main Cardano network, as well as usher in a new age of smart contract capability. Analysts expect ADA price to blast off to $3 ahead of Cardano's Alonzo hard fork. After the Alonzo hard fork is completed, automated market maker CardaSwap will be linked to the Cardano blockchain. The September 12th hard fork combinator event will usher in a revolutionary age of smart contract capabilities as Cardano ushers in a transformational era of smart contract capability. Cardano's price has risen 31% in the last 2 weeks, and analysts have set the next goal at $3. 81% of Poly market participants believe Cardano's smart contract launch will happen on October 1st, 2021. Cardano's mainnet provides a viable and low relative cost alternative to Ethereum, which non-fungible token issuers consider unfeasible due to high transaction costs. On August 26th, Input-Output Hong Kong, the Cardano blockchain development firm, released an update describing the complete implementation and the launch of Daedalus, the full node wallet for native coin ADA. The Alonzo hard fork is set for September 12th, and the development team is counting down the days. The network is now ready for a hard fork on the Alonzo testnet that will be open to the public. The update was announced on Twitter by IOHK. Cardano's price has risen by more than 30% in the last 2 weeks, and the announcement is fueling the surge. Last week, ADA achieved an all-time high of $2.95, and analysts predict that the cryptocurrency will reach a target of $3. A cryptocurrency expert and YouTuber named Benjamin Cohen recently expressed his thoughts in a strategy session on the video network. Cohen draws attention to the link between Cardano and Bitcoin. Cohen believes Cardano's price will continue to rise if Bitcoin remains above its 20-week simple moving average. Cohen observes, is ADA on its way to $3? The answer to that query is most likely simply if Bitcoin remains above the 20-week moving average. If Bitcoin can hold above the 20-week for only a day or two, it is extremely probable that ADA will break past the $3 barrier in the coming weeks. Following the revised statement and the price rise, the Cardano community has renewed faith in the smart contract deployment on the main net. It's clear from a bet on the Cardano network's introduction of smart contracts. 81% of participants in an open betting pool on Poly Market, a worldwide information markets platform, are in support of Cardano's mainnet debut. Smart contracts will be available on Cardano's mainnet by October 1st, 2021, according to 81% of participants, up from 64% 8 weeks earlier. Cardano is expected to rebound significantly, according to FX Street analysts, with a new all-time high of $3.40 in sight. All these factors make Cardano stand out among other cryptocurrencies, and no wonder why one of the richest people on the earth is thinking to invest in it and believes it will be huge in the future. Let us know in the comments, what are your thoughts on Cardano? Does Jeff Bezos secretly hold Cardano?